In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop. This can be a real lifesaver if you're looking to free up some space on your computer or simply want more control over what gets backed up to the cloud. Don't worry, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, you're going to want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. It's typically found in the lower right corner of your screen near the clock. If your system tray is crowded, you may need to click the small upward facing arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to bring up its menu. In that menu, you'll see several options, but what you need to do is click on the Help and Settings option. This will open another list of options. You're looking for Settings, click on that, and it will bring up the OneDrive Settings window, which is where we'll be working next. Now that the Settings window is open, you'll see several tabs at the top. Navigate your way over to the Account tab. This is where you manage how OneDrive interacts with your PC, including adjusting account settings, viewing storage space details, and unlinking your PC from syncing with OneDrive altogether. Once you're in the Account tab, you'll see a button labeled Unlink this PC. Clicking this button is the key step for stopping OneDrive from syncing your desktop. So go ahead and click on Unlink this PC. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's important to note that this will stop syncing between OneDrive and your computer, but the files will remain on your PC unless you choose to remove them manually. When you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the unlinking, and just like that, your PC is no longer synced with OneDrive, preventing any future automatic uploads of your desktop files. This method is particularly helpful if you're transitioning to a new storage solution, or just want to maintain more local control over your files. Now you're done. Your files on the desktop won't automatically sync to OneDrive anymore, giving you the autonomy to decide what gets uploaded and when. If you ever change your mind, reconnecting is just as simple by signing back into OneDrive and selecting the folders you want to sync. Hopefully this quick walkthrough has made the process clear and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tech tips.